As you can see, we have a problem. One is not like the others. So, what that tells me is the left front wheel tire pressure sensor is probably bad battery. I've already replaced 2 of these a while back, and it looks like it's time to do a third. Here we go. All right, so basically here's where I'm at. I've got the wheel off. Got some help here in the garage today. That is Ollie. And this is where we're at. So I've got the wheel off. I've got it in the manual tire machine. And basically what I'm going to do is pull the valve stem, the core, with this tool. That's going to deflate the tire. Then I'm going to break the bead just on one side so I can replace that tire pressure sensor. So let's start with removing the valve stem core. So you're just going to remove the cap. Whoops. Right. Luckily, we didn't scratch anything that I can see. Let's not tell anybody that happened. All right. So let's remove this. There we go. All right, so the tire is deflated, and I've got this shoe. I don't know what you call it. I think it's called a shoe, kind of wedged under there. And we're going to press down. Make sure you can see this here. Basically, I'm going to take this big lever and just push down. Okay, that was easy. So what we're going to do, all right, Ollie, your job is to hold that down. Now, see, I've got full access to this. Well, you probably saw my head. Let me change this here. You got it?
Yeah. It's too hard.
Oh, must hold on. All right, so I've got to cut this to get this out. Let me get something to cut that with. Say something funny into the camera, Ollie. Oh, sorry. I've got the microphone over here. Let's block that off. And I've come back with these. So let's see if I can pull this through or just cut it.
Oh, there you go.
Okay. There's
I
that.
was about to say, you could probably like cut it with some pliers. Oh,
And there's that.
oh, there's no pliers. I'm actually stupid.
Those are called wire cutters or side cutters.
I probably knew it as wire cutters for my dad.
I cut wires and all kinds of stuff with them. I got those at Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight's like the easiest stuff.
That's right. All right, so this is a GMC Acadia, model year unknown. Hey, what year is this car, Ollie?
I would say like a 2023 maybe?
I don't know.
22?
20? Anyway, maybe I'll figure that out and put it in the description. But the tire pressure sensors we are using, we got on Amazon. Jeswang,
Just wrong.
I think is the brand.
Just wrong. Sounds like some like you know, like when they do that Japan fighting. Just wrong.
Trying to find a model number or part number. Here we go. There you go. So that's your part number. But anyway, we got these on Amazon, set of 4. We'll have one left whenever the last one goes out. So basically these come in a bag. They look just like the old one. We're going to remove the cap. Remove the cap. Now we're going to orient this. See how that's curved? So we're going to orient this where it curves in. You want this to curve in towards the center of the wheel, not curve out. All right, so let me grab the same tool we used to remove the core, the valve stem core. We're going to also use to pull this through. Okay, should have that lined up. Pull it through. Done. Okay. So should be in. Looks like we're all the way through on the outside. All right, Ollie, you can let that go. So next we're going to inflate it. And let me get some stuff set up. We'll be back. All right, so we have to inflate the tire. And this attachment, again, Harbor Freight, and it just clips on to the valve stem. Now I may have to pick up on this, pick up on the other side, just underneath, like that. Yep. Okay. You're okay. Yep. All right. Squeeze here. Come here and squeeze this. Look right here. Like that. Yep. Make sure you're not playing the camera. Go ahead. All right. Now listen. All right. Let go for a second. You're in front of the camera.
Oh, wait. Sorry.
All right. Keep going. Make sure your fingers are out of the way, and step back just a little bit, because that bead is going to pop. Watch. See how it's going to seal? Watch the edge. See how it right through here? Oh, it didn't pop. But anyway, it's sealing. So.
Am I good?
Yeah, you're good. I mean, we got a ways to go, but.
I know. It's just saying it's like already. Yeah, it's pretty sure.
Yeah. So this gauge on the end will tell us when to stop.
What does it do, pop?
Well, normally they'll pop. Like when this seats, it's called the bead. Whenever the bead seats around the rim, usually they'll pop. This one didn't pop, but that's okay. So we want to put about 32. I think that's where the other ones were. 32 psi. Well, that's all right. All right, that's probably a little bit too much, but that's okay. We can adjust it.
Point the camera on Ruby.
All right, let's see. Now, one other thing I like to do, is this still recording? One other thing I like to do is dribble a little bit of Dawn around the valve stem. And if you see bubbles, it means it's leaking.
Don't see any bubbles.
You see any bubbles?
Just like some kid show. Do you see any bubbles?
I don't see any bubbles. We're good.
Ruby, come on.
All right. Hang tight. Yeah. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready to drop this down? Turn that handle to the left. Squeeze it hard, turn it to your left.
Like this?
Yep, lefty loosey.
Loosey.
Yep, that way. Turn it real hard. Hard! Oh.
Dang. That's weird. That's kind of so weird. Like you have to prop it up.
All right, Ollie, what did we do? What did we do so far? Get close so you can, hang on, let me get the microphone. Sorry, I keep forgetting. All right, speak into the microphone.
We flattened the tire, then we got some nuts. So what we did is like flatten the tire, then we worked on the tire sensor, then put it back in the car, and then get the little big things, and we put it in 2 times around, and then put the tire back in.
Yep, we mounted the tire. All right. So basically what he just said was, we fixed it. So what I did so far, we've torqued the lug nuts, and now we're going to program. So next, the tool we're going to use to program, sorry I'm moving the microphone here. So the tool we're going to use for programming this is also on Amazon, is that one, EL50448, 9-volt battery. These things are super cheap, like 10 bucks. So we're going to program the tire pressure sensor system with this. Stand by. All right. Okay, so basically what happened was we got the left front installed and the left rear would not program, so I can only assume that was the last one left because I've already done 2 of these previously. So in order to reset this, we're going to hold this check mark down. It's going to ask you, are you sure that you want to relearn? Well, of course I'm sure. So let's choose yes. It's going to sound the horn. We're going to get out with our tool, this tool, and I'm going to put this about right here. Push the button. Okay, we're going to horn beep. That means it registered that one. Let's go to the right front, same area. Okay, horn beep. Right rear. Horn beep. All right, now please beep for the left rear. This is the last one. So I just put this in. All right. Yes. Let's start it. I lost my helper, by the way. All right, so our tire pressure light, error light thingy there is gone. All of the tire pressure sensors are reading. This job is finished.